Do-it-yourself microwave repair, appliance forever. Microwave not heating or making strange noises? Many common microwave issues can be fixed at home. Here are frequent problems, causes, and simple solutions. Common problems and causes. Not heating, faulty magnetron or diode. Turntable not spinning, broken motor or coupler. Buttons not working, faulty control panel. Sparking inside, metal, waveguide damage, or paint chips. No power, tripped breaker, or blown fuse. Top 15 DIY tips. 1. Not heating. Check fuse. Magnetron may need replacing. 2. Turntable stuck. Inspect coupler and roller ring. 3 buttons unresponsive. Reset or check ribbon cable. 4 runs but no heat. Likely diode or capacitor issue. 5. Loud noise. Could be fan or magnetron. 6 sparks inside. Clean cavity. Check waveguide and paint. 7. No interior light. Replace bulb if accessible. 8. Door won't close. Inspect latch and hinges. 9. Trips breaker. Reduce load. Check for shorts. 10. Display off. Reset and check control board. 11. Stops mid-cycle. Maybe overheating or bad door switch. 12. Clicking sounds. Often relay or turntable motor. 13. Fan runs. No heat. Check door latch and switches. 14. Burning smell. Clean interior. Check for overheating. 15. Completely unresponsive. Test outlet, breaker, and internal fuse. Subscribe for insights on repair and installation tips and stay updated with the latest in the industry. www.appliance.forever.ca or call us 647-834-4646.